Disclaimer. This is meant purely for informational purposes. What you decide to do with this information is up to you. The video, channel, and associates cannot be held liable for any outcomes by taking action on information provided. Also, any referral links can possibly lead to the creator of this content receiving compensation. Thank you for your support in advance. Enjoy.
Hello, and welcome to the CryptoCashReady channel. My name is Marvin, and I'm a cryptocurrency enthusiast. I love to share my knowledge on new things that I learn about cryptocurrency every week. Thank you for checking me out. In today's video, I'm going to cover the very popular CryptoKitties dApp, or decentralized application. Before I start going into great detail about it, if you're excited to learn more about this, go ahead and hit that like button and hit subscribe to the CryptoCashReady channel. And don't forget to hit that little bell notification button so you don't miss out on any new content that is released to help benefit you and your wallet. So without further ado, I did quite a bit of research on this new CryptoKitties topic, and let me tell you, there's lots of videos and articles to review now. I learned quite a bit, and today I'm going to share with you the most interesting, helpful, and cool things I've learned about this relatively new app, or dApp. My hope is that you find this helpful whether you are a newbie to this or have been playing CryptoKitties for a while. So let's get into it now. Before we get into the actual list, this next part is very important. First and foremost, make sure you're on the right website. The actual web address for the CryptoKitties game platform is https://www.cryptokitties.co and not www.cryptokitties.com. There have been some phishing attempts by going to the latter one, so be very careful that you're on the right website. Okay, now that is done, let's begin. Number 1, CryptoKitties is the first major game to be built on the Ethereum blockchain. You may ask, okay, what does that mean? Or what is Ethereum? Ethereum is a cryptocurrency, a type of digital asset that is designed to work as a medium of exchange that puts to use cryptography to secure transactions, control creation of additional units, and to verify the transfer of assets. Ethereum is a type of cryptocurrency and it has what is called a blockchain. A blockchain works as a digital ledger that keeps track of all transactions done using the cryptocurrency, in this case Ethereum. CryptoKitties runs on Ethereum's blockchain as a game and has been very successful at doing so. Number 2, CryptoKitties allows anyone to buy, sell, or breed their unique CryptoKitty. The whole purpose of the game is to collect these digital kitties. You can then breed them with other kitties to get new offspring with specific traits. You can sell these and make a profit, or keep your kitties and use them for breeding to make a profit as well. Number 3, each of the kitties has a certain value to them and none of them are the same. It can't be duplicated, destroyed, or messed with. It is totally yours, so you have 100% ownership. What makes these really special is that unlike other cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, where each unit has the exact same value, this is known as the ERC20 token, where two people can exchange the same unit and are exactly the same. These kitty tokens are ERC721. And all of these have slightly different values, so no two kitties are exactly alike, and that makes the creation of new ones more exciting. Number 4, the CryptoKitties game only runs on Chrome or Firefox browsers, so if you want to get in on the action, you have to download or use Chrome or Firefox. This is mainly because you're going to need a special browser extension called MetaMask. MetaMask is basically an online digital wallet that works with Ethereum-based apps like CryptoKitties. Number 5, you also need Ether, ETH, in your MetaMask to fund your online play. So in order to buy, sell, and breed, you have to pay fees on the CryptoKitties platform. The only way to pay for these fees is to have Ether, which is what is used to cover transactions on the Ethereum blockchain. This is similar to Bitcoin needing to use Bitcoins in order to keep track of and verify payments with. You can get Ether by buying directly through MetaMask if you're in the US currently, or you can buy some from an exchange like Coinbase. You can use my special link to make your purchase of Ethereum through Coinbase, and when you spend at least $100, you will get $10 back in Bitcoins free, and so will I. Thank you in advance for your support to this channel. The link will be in the description box and also provided here at http://bit.ly/Coinbase time. Once you purchase some Ether, you can send it over to your MetaMask account by using the address that's provided when you hit the MetaMask browser extension and then the 3 dots and then hit copy address. You can send Ether from Coinbase or wherever to your MetaMask account. Once you are ready, you can hit start me out and view the marketplace to get your first cat. Make sure to keep your seed word and seed files from MetaMask backed up and probably not on your main computer. You can put it on something like a piece of paper, and you don't want to save on your computer where hackers can get to it. Number 6, whenever you do a transaction on CryptoKitties, it requires a certain amount of gas, which you pay in Ether. Gas is basically you paying to have the transaction done. So if you decide to buy a CryptoKitty and it costs a certain amount, you hit buy and then you're provided with a gas amount of how much it would take for your transaction to go through. Gas is required for just about everything you do on the platform that involves selling, breeding, or buying a new cat. Generally, the more gas you pay, the quicker your transaction will take place or complete. The gas basically bumps you up in the queue. For certain actions like buying a cat you see on the market can be very competitive. So you can hit the buy button and then as soon as you submit your buy request, it could have already been sold due to someone having paid more gas to get their transaction through quicker. Be careful. A lot of money can be spent on gas and eat up your profits if you aren't watchful. Increasing gas is most useful for when you want to buy a cat that will probably be off the market soon and you have a higher purpose for it other than just mere ownership, like breeding. Number 7, you can go to the ETH gas station website to learn about current prices for Ether. You can go to https://ethgasstation.info to see average weight and average gas price for Ethereum real quick. You can use this information to go back and set an average price on your MetaMask wallet as well. You will need to open up the MetaMask browser extension to change this. Number 8. When buying your CryptoKitties in the marketplace, you want to look for low generation numbers and fast cooldowns. As you're going through the marketplace, you will want to look at the generation number of the cat and the cooldown status. Generation numbers are basically how many generations away from 0 it is. For instance, if you see a generation 1 cat and a gen 5 cat, you would generally want to go for the gen 1 because they generally perform better and have better traits. You always want to seek out the lowest generation number you can get. Sometimes it's not feasible because the price for lower generations are generally higher due to their rarity. So aiming for Gen 0, Gen 1, Gen 2, and even Gen 3 can all be good bets. These are all sought out more and you can get more for them when it comes to selling or breeding with others. You also want to look at cooldown times. These are basically how long it takes for each kitty to recover after breeding has been performed. You want to see things like swift, fast, and snappy. And catatonic is the worst. This means it can take up to a full week to recover. Number 9. The website works on a Dutch auction model. This means that when someone puts their kitty up for sale, it starts at the highest price the seller is asking for, but with time if the kitty doesn't sell, then the price steadily declines to the lowest price the seller will take. So you can wait to buy that kitty you want at a lower price, but there's always a chance that someone will buy it before you because they have enough to cover the cost. So keep this in mind. Number 10. When breeding cats, the offspring will always be one generation above the highest number parent cat. So here are a few examples. Gen 10 plus Gen 12, you will get a Gen 13. Gen 1 plus Gen 2, you get a Gen 3. Gen 0 plus Gen 1, you get a Gen 2. And no inbreeding is allowed, so the children can't go back and breed with their parents, but the children can breed with each other as far as I know. Also, there is no female or male, so any cat can breed with any other cat apparently. Number 11. Originally there was a release of new founders kitties every 15 minutes, but this has now stopped. So this means that there shouldn't be any more new generation 0 cats remaining. All kitties new are generated directly from breeding at this point. Number 12. Every time you breed your kitties, their cooldown time increases. So when you decide to start breeding your kitties, afterwards their cooldown time, which is recovery, will increase. Eventually you will get to a point where they are super slow. So keep an eye out on this, and it can also be a good indicator of when to buy a new kitty or sell an old one. Number 13. Check out the kitty index to understand the rarity of your kitties. There's a website called CryptoKitties Dex that can show you how rare certain traits are and if your cat has them. Some of the rarest traits are cattributes, as the main site refers to them as, are bubblegum and fabulous. Number 14. You can sort cats in the marketplace by filter real easy. You're given options in the sort and drop down box like cheapest, most expensive, and youngest. You can click each cat individually to check out their cattributes or traits and look for rare traits to potentially get offspring with those same traits. You can install a script that will automatically tell you what cattributes each kitty has without having to click on each one. You simply need to install the Tamper Monkey app. Once you have this installed, you'll go to New Script and create New Script. Then go to github.com and get script for CryptoKitties. Choose raw and copy it onto your Tamper Monkey. Then in the future, when you use CryptoKitties, it will automatically display rarities for each cat on the marketplace screen without needing to go to click on each one. Number 15. Try to aim for attractive features when buying new cats. Generally, the more attractive ones go for more money. So features like sad eyes, thick eyebrows, or googly eyes generally are sought out less by buyers and those looking to breed with yours. Number 16. You can make money by allowing your cat or cats to breed with others. You can put your cat out for siring. This is where you allow your cat to breed with other cats and you receive ether payment in return, and the other person gets to keep the offspring. You can also go look for those putting their cats out for siring and receive offspring and pay out ether to them. Number 17, a bun in the oven means success. So when you decide to breed, whether with someone else's cat or your own cats, once breeding is done, you will receive a message saying bun in the oven. This means your cat will soon produce a kitten of its very own. This can take a couple of hours to complete, but at least at this point you're on your way. Number 18, the platform isn't down, your MetaMask is. Sometimes when you go to your My Kitties page on CryptoKitties.co, it may show a spinning circle and you may think the platform is down. Chances are you need to log back into your MetaMask account. The MetaMask browser extension will automatically log you out after a time being, so keep this in mind. Number 19, make sure to read the FAQ section on the website. This will generally answer most questions that newbies might have about CryptoKitties in general. It is pretty well thought out and humorous at times, so it might be worth checking out just for the heck of it. Number 20, check out catfold.io and kitty.services for even more help. Catfold.io is a website that can tell you the value of your CryptoKitties based on real market data by searching auctions for combinations of rare traits and various other things. www.kitty.services is a cattributes predictor that allows you to take any two cat IDs you want and see what they could possibly generate if bred together. There is lots to learn in the new CryptoKitties universe, and we're probably only just getting started. If you found this helpful or informative, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell to be alerted of new content as it is released. Are you CryptoCash ready? You will be with us. Again, if you don't have either to fund your CryptoKitties adventures, you can get some and get back $10 in free Bitcoins when you spend at least $100 at the special link I provide below, or go to www.CryptoCashReady.com and hit on one of the Get Free Bitcoin links there. Good luck and stay CryptoCash ready.